is Jason Martin. I'm the operations manager for Montana Iron Works, and we're working on a heavy industrial project. It's a cab stop for a mining truck. So this is designed to keep the truck from turning too much or jackknifing. And if the truck does turn too much, then these stops get severely damaged, as you see. We're going to tear it apart and put it back together.
So we're getting ready to cut a piece for that Starkey Creek headache rack. I got the measurements from Jason, the DXF file, so we're going to write a program for the plasma cutter. We're going to run it on the CNC just because it's faster, it's more accurate. And we're going to write a program for that, throw a piece of 1/4 inch plate up and go to work.